Hi, and welcome to PeepSo. In this guide, we're gonna show you how to transition your default or blank WordPress website into this, and finally finish it up with this. In order to do so, you need to understand three fundamental building blocks that will help you achieve the exact same look as shown on the screen. These building blocks are PeepSo plugin itself, Gecko theme, and widgets. Let's start with PeepSo plugin. This is how your website is going to look if you only install PeepSo. What you see on the screen right now is output of the PeepSo plugin. If we go ahead and install Gecko theme, your site will now look like this. It is a combined output of three building blocks: PeepSo plugin in the middle, widgets on the left and right sidebar respectively, and Gecko theme wrapping up the entire package. With that knowledge, let's utilize the building blocks and change the default widgets, improve the header by adding the menu and the logo, and do some customizations in the PeepSo plugin so our website can look like this. To get started, simply go to peepso.com, click on free download link, or start your community for free, and you will be able to download the PeepSo installer zip package. Before we can install PeepSo, we need to go into WordPress admin dashboard, go to settings, permalinks, and make sure that our permalinks are set to post name. Once that is done, go to plugins, add plugin, and upload your PeepSo plugin in there. Install it now and wait for it to be installed. Once it is installed, click on Activate plugin. From here, you can continue in few different directions, but we will focus on Getting Started panel. So let's close all of this. We will dismiss these messages and this one and focus on the Getting Started panel. Switch to the license keys, and here you will be able to either enter your license or choose the free bundle. We are going to choose the free bundle and click on Get It Now. Accept the terms and conditions, and just like that, we will have the PeepSo free bundle license added to our website. With PeepSo free bundle, we can install the Gecko theme and following plugins. You can either install them manually or clicking on Show Bulk Actions, select all, and then install. We will also have to activate the theme and the plugins. This is the notification that's saying that your active theme is going to be replaced with Gecko, and we want to do that. Yes, activate the Gecko and activate all other plugins. With these few simple steps, this is how our website now looks like. It resembles the thing I showed you at the beginning of the video. So we are now going to replace all of these default widgets with PeepSo widgets. To do that, we need to go back to our WordPress admin, then navigate to Appearance and Widgets. And you will see all of these positions like header, slider, top, sidebar left, sidebar right. All right, expand the sidebar left, and you will find all of these widgets already published there. We need to delete all of these widgets. To do that, you will simply click on it and delete. Delete, delete, until it's empty. I deleted all of the widgets that came pre-installed with WordPress, so all of my widget positions are now empty. As you can see, there is no widgets in sidebar left and no widgets in the right sidebar. If we take a look at the website, now it looks like this. It doesn't show any widget at all. But we do want to show widgets. So in the header, I'm going to click on the plus and look for user bar. User bar. Okay, so there are now two user bar widgets. One is a block that you can use in the articles, and the other is the widget. I'm going to use the widget here because widget simply works better in the widget area. You can use blocks as well. There is no difference at all. They will do the same thing. So let's update this position now. Let's take a look at the website. We need to refresh it. And there's a user bar widget showing on top of the header, right? In the position where we published it. We also want to publish widgets in the sidebar. So let's find the sidebar position, sidebar left or sidebar right. Let's look for PeepSo, and we are going to add the PeepSo profile widget in the left sidebar, and in the right sidebar we're going to add community photos and community videos. Update this page, and of course all of these widgets are now saved and gonna show on the front end. Let's take a look. There we go. Now all we need to do is add the menu here in the header and change our logo. Let's take care of the menu first. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Menus, give your menu a name and put it in the header menu and create it. Add all of the items that you want into your menu, add to menu, and save it. And just like that, our menu is created. Now switch to Gecko, then Gecko Customizer, and duplicate your preset. From here, switch to Site, Logo, and upload your logo. Use this media and publish the set preset as default. In Gecko Customizer, you can do all kind of different settings. It is basically your control panel for the theme, where you can change the global colors, you can change the appearance, you can do all kind of different things with PeepSo, even changing the profile pages. Let me show you how will that work. I strongly advise you to go through all of these settings because you can change a lot of different things. You see? So let's publish that, but this is the subject for the different video. If I start explaining all of this here, it will never end, okay? This is how our website looks like now. So let's finalize it by removing this complete header over here, or this bar, because it is not needed. We already have a user bar notifications via widget, and we have the menu, so all of this is redundant. Okay, to do that, we will go back to the WordPress admin, then PeepSo configuration, appearance, and disable PeepSo navigation bar. Okay, let's save that setting. Make sure that setting is successfully saved. Go back to our website, refresh it, and the bar is gone. And that's really it, folks. I hope you're gonna enjoy PeepSo. Have fun. Bye.